Alright, what's going on, YouTube world? We're here in Milwaukee County of Wisconsin in the middle of a snowstorm. The road's not even plowed, people just going through. And I want to show you what a set of dedicated snow tires can do. We're here, we got these Continental Extreme Winter Contact snow tires here. We're driving a all-wheel drive vehicle, and I just want to show you how bad the road is and show you why you should get some snow tires. Alright, so I just got in the vehicle. We're getting ready to go and pull off, put it in drive. The TPMS sensor is on, but don't worry about that. I just didn't get the sensors activated. But let me show you what snow tires can do. It's about a good 5 inches out here. Nothing's been plowed. Turn the fog lights on, give you guys an idea. See how I accelerate with ease? This is what snow tires will do for you. And if you need to brake, you can brake easily, gently, and make your turn. It's about 8:30 approximately, in the midst of the storm. Plows haven't been through. This is why I tell people they need to get snow tires. You go through the snow with ease. This is my 3rd to 4th season driving on the same snow tires. Goes to show you, you put them on right after Thanksgiving, and then you take them off as soon as the end of March. And as you can see, it's not really the all-wheel drive system, it's the snow tires being able to grip the road, grip the snow, to remain flexible in this type of drastic environment, and to be able to move. Now, all-wheel drive certainly helps. It certainly helps in this weather. But if you have a 4-wheel drive vehicle, potentially even a rear-wheel drive, adding a set of snow tires will make the world of difference. As you can see, I'm going about 40 miles an hour here, and it's really slippery out. It's really slippery, and I want to show you guys what happens going 40 miles an hour and then being able to brake gently. I'm coming up on a curve, braking gently. Here's a car, braking gently. Look, not sliding, all grip, turning the corner effectively, still going about 25 to 30 miles an hour, turning the corner, providing maximum comfort, maximum grip. This is why you get some snow tires. So I just want to show people the reason why. Unfortunately, you know, I know people who believe all weather, all season tires is good enough for this type of climate, this type of weather. However, it is not good enough. And so I just want to show you guys, with even having some snow tires that's 3 to 4 years old, still has plenty of grip on it, and how I'm driving in the roads with ease, going 40 miles an hour, you know. And I just want to get the point across why snow tires are relevant, how they are a benefit. Like here, I pass up this Cadillac with ease. Here's another car driving about 40 miles an hour. Here's another car, pass that up with ease. So when you need to get going, when you need to accelerate, this is what you can do. I need to come up on a stop, or at least a turning. It's not having been plowed. Look, I'm right here, it hasn't even been plowed. Easily gripping the road. Nothing plowed here. Easily going through.